these are 55-gallon barrels stacked in a backyard system. One, you'll want to go ahead and use straps around the center of the barrel. This keeps the barrels from blowing up. Here in Arizona, we have a lot of heat. Back east, not so much. But make sure you have wire or something strapped around the center of these barrels when they're empty, so that when they fill with water, you don't stress the barrel and blow them out. We have the inlet here. We're using a hose inlet, and it just screws on. You get all this stuff at Home Depot or Lowe's. So you have the water inlet coming up in 3/4 inch, and then you have a threaded pipe going through the bung that comes with these barrels. You just knock out the center and run down. Inside of this, you'll have this sprinkler head. By Home Depot, this happens to be an Orbit. It's limited to 3 gallons per minute. That's all it'll allow this barrel to come through. Pressurizes the barrel, comes here, and you'll have this that runs all the way down to the bottom of the barrel, 3/4 inch. Notch it so that it will pick up all the debris and keep it out of the barrel. And the water's pushed up through here and then dumps into the next barrel. What I have here is a manifold setup where you can unscrew the top. You put a funnel in. If you've ever shut your system down, you can use bleach. About a quarter to a half inch or a half cup of bleach. Pour it into here. When the system's shut down, there's no water running in it. It'll go in and it'll sterilize the barrel. We do that with each one of the barrels. That's why they're there. Just remove the cap and set it into each barrel. And what will happen then is you'll sterilize the barrel overnight. If you've shut your system down for some reason or gone on vacation, you're kind of concerned that maybe something started growing in here, some algae or whatever. Then it pushes down. You have another pipe here, comes up and pushes the water out. And that completes your system. But don't block the outlet and allow the inlet free flowing, flow free. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and break down the barrel. The manifold comes apart right here, and it comes up, and here's the sprinkler head. It's a 3 gallon per minute sprinkler head. So the water comes in, it sprays inside until the barrel gets full. Then you have this that goes all the way to the bottom, and it has this little cut V. So it'll be a lot longer than this because this is just for demo purposes. Comes up through here, attaches here. But you'll burp this to let the air out so the barrel will fill full, and then tighten it back down. And again, you can put your bleach down through there. It comes in here, this is tight, comes over here, and this initial one is just wide open. So it comes and lets the water into the barrel. And then again, once again, you have this running all the way to the bottom. The reason is this is important because it pulls, as the barrel fills, it'll take and pull all the sediment out of this barrel and push it out into the yard. So you always have clean water. And that's what this is all about, is so that you can keep and store clean water. So if something does happen, an emergency or whatever, you'll always have as much water as you need to have for your family.